Hey guys, I'm Steff and welcome back to my beauty stash. Today we're going to be trying out a full face of a brand new minimalist makeup brand available right now at Sephora, and that is Merit Beauty. The team at Merit Beauty reached out to me a couple weeks ago. They wanted to know if I'd be interested in trying some of their products. They actually let me get to pick a few of the products that I wanted to try out for you guys. So I, of course, immediately said yes. I'm always up for trying new makeup, especially makeup that you don't need to wear so much of, because I know a lot of you guys out there, now that spring and summer are rolling around, your makeup game changes. You might not need a full coverage foundation the way you use in the fall and winter. You might not even go in with foundation at all. You might just want a nice flush of color to your cheeks, a nice little mascara to the lashes, and a nice little plumping lip gloss maybe on the lips, and that's going to be your routine for the next few months. Totally understand that. So I think Merit Beauty has you covered with their product offerings. I need to show you guys this because it is really adorable. I at first thought they were sending me this bag because this was like a PR package, but no. This is the bag that your makeup comes in when you place your first order from Merit Beauty. This is a very cute, like a camel color corduroy makeup bag. It ties up here at the top. I've done a couple Instagram reels on this already, so if you're not following me on Steff's Beauty Stash over there on Instagram, what are you doing? Go over there, follow the fun. I'm really into Instagram reels right now. I think I'm posting like one a day or maybe sometimes two a day. I just like them. They're a lot of fun. But inside this really cute makeup bag, which I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of. There you can see Merit right there. I mean, this is a nice bag. This is a really nice bag. Was not expecting this. Are the products that I chose. So first product that I got is a foundation stick, and the official name of this one is called Perfecting Complexion Stick. I got the shade Silk, and let me go ahead and show you what this looks like. The packaging is really pretty. I love the combination of gray and gold together. Or is this a rose gold? No, it's like a gold. Guys, I have not tried this on at all. I think I just swatched it briefly a couple days ago. But of course, we're going to be going in with this today. I also got a brush. This is a brush that they have available for the foundation, but you can also use this with their cream products, which I'm about to show you right now. Merit Beauty had several cream blushes to choose from, and I was able to get two shades. This first shade that I picked up is in the shade Terracotta. And I went with this shade because I thought it could act as a bronzer. So let's go ahead and swatch it back here on my hand. And there you can see it is a very, very soft wash of color. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if this could be a bronzer. I'll probably use it as a bronzer on the cheek area. And then we'll go from there. We'll see how it works if I apply it to my forehead or not. But if you don't want a lot of color, again, minimalist makeup, this product looks like it's going to be right up your alley. I also picked up this other shade. This one is in the shade Cheeky. How pretty is that? I mean, I tell you guys, cream blush is definitely having its moment in the sun right now, and I'm all about it. Look at that beautiful color. Really pretty. Ooh, I can't wait to try these out. They feel so creamy, and they even have like a nice little sheen to it. Perfect to get that dewy skin, that dewy complexion. I also got a tinted lip oil, and how pretty is this packaging? Look at that. I love this. This one is in the shade Pink Beet. And again, it's a lip oil, so it's gonna be really hydrating and nourishing for the lips. And then last, I got the mascara. This mascara is the Lengthening mascara, and it is in the shade Perfect Black. Very sleek packaging. I like that a lot. Their packaging on all their products seems to be pretty good. Let me show you what the wand looks like. I think this is the perfect size for a mascara wand. Not too thick, not too bulky, but it's not too tiny either. This just looks like it's gonna be perfect for lower and upper lashes. So let's get started applying these products. I'm really, really excited to dive into this. I'm gonna be doing an eye look, but I'm not gonna be doing that on camera. You guys will see that on my Instagram reels, so just heads up on that. But after I get done applying the makeup, I will come on and give you guys my first impression, my initial thoughts over these new products from Merit Beauty. And at the end of the day, before I get ready to wash this full face of makeup off, I will give you guys a final final look and just kind of recap my thoughts of the day on this new minimalist makeup brand at Sephora, which is called Merit Beauty. If you want to see how all these goodies from Merit perform, keep on watching.
Just lose control, just lose control. It'll be alright, this I know, deep in my soul. So just lose control. Could say I'm all in just to keep from falling. I don't wanna lose my mind, but I see the light now. Think I could make it out. Don't tell me that I might be wrong. I just wanna live and let go and just lose control. Just lose control. Just wanna live and let go.
Hey guys, this is 8 hours later after applying my brand new Merit Beauty products. And what do you think of how my skin looks? I'm sitting right in front of a window so we can get some natural lighting on my face. Guys, no joke, I ran so many errands today and I got several different compliments regarding my makeup, regarding my skin, how good it looked. And I have to attribute that to these Merit Beauty products. Because yeah, from time to time, I do get compliments on my makeup when I'm out and about. But 3 in one day, that's a little much. And I was a little taken aback by it. And I thought, you know what? These products are the real deal. I am so excited that Merit Beauty was kind enough to send me some of their goodies to try out. Again, this is a minimalist beauty brand that you can find at Sephora. They have enough products in their line for you guys to do a full face of makeup with. Now, remember that when you order from Merit Beauty, your first order is going to ship in this really cute corduroy bag that just ties up at the top. You can totally use this bag for a lot of different things. The foundation stick, I have the shade Silk, and I definitely think it is a perfect shade match for me. It just gives you the your skin but better look. You can still see a little bit of my flaws, of my imperfections, but that's okay. This is what minimalist makeup is all about. It's all about the ease of application and letting your natural beauty shine through. So this foundation stick, it hasn't caused excess oiliness. It hasn't gotten cakey. It's just laying really well. And remember, I use this under my eye as a concealer. Fantastic. I think it did a great job as far as coverage, as far as longevity, and I was wearing a mask on and off throughout the day, guys. So great job, Merit, on the foundation stick. I really enjoyed using the brush. However, I don't think this was my favorite brush to apply stick foundation with. I have others in my stash that I do prefer, but this was a good brush and it did blend out the foundation fairly well. The lip oil, love the shade. It did come off after lunch, but I just reapplied before coming on camera and it feels so good. It feels so good on the lips, like just so nourishing, so hydrating, so lightweight. It's not tacky, it's not sticky. It's just perfect. And then of course I tried the 2 blushes in Terracotta, which is the one down here at the bottom, and in Cheeky, which is the one here at the top. Now you can see I do have a little bit of color left, but this was a very sheer application. So you're definitely gonna have to build it up to get the desired pigment. But since I've been wearing a mask on and off for the last 7 hours, it has come off a bit. My tip, my suggestion would be to go in with a powder blush on top of this cream blush just to really lock in the color. I do think that if I wasn't wearing a mask, the color would definitely still be more vibrant on my cheeks, but that is the life we're living right now. But other than that, guys, really nice, really cute packaging, really easy to apply them. Definitely going to give you a nice flush of color, and these blushes are just going to give you that healthy glow, that healthy wash of color that we all want, especially in our cheek area. Last but not least, guys, was the mascara. This is a lengthening mascara, and you can see my lashes. This mascara did not flake, it did not smear. And the proof is right here because I'm showing you. This did a great job. I will definitely be reaching for this again, and I really like the packaging on it. So Merit Beauty is definitely getting a thumbs up from me. I enjoyed all of the products that they sent me. I am looking forward to trying more Merit Beauty products in the future. Guys, you can find Merit Beauty at Sephora. They have their full product range, and of course on the Merit Beauty website. Definitely check them out if you are interested in that minimalist makeup approach. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Have you heard of Merit Beauty before? Are you interested in trying them out? What caught your eye? Leave it all in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.